Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to save music from YouTube to your files. So, let's get started. First, open YouTube on your PC. And make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the YouTube Studio from the menu. When you click on it, a new screen will appear. And then, you will see multiple options at the left side. Now, scroll down and you will see Audio Library section. Click on it. When you click on it, a new screen will appear. Here in the Audio Library, you'll see a variety of music tracks that you can use. This is really awesome because this music can be used for your videos on YouTube. When you click on the Search or Filter Library option, you can filter the list by track title, genre, mood, artist name, and duration. You can also filter by attribution required or not required. If you don't want attribution included in your videos, just select attribution not required, and you'll be shown those options. To play a music track, just click on the play button. If you find a track interesting and want to save it for later, click on the star button. If the star is not filled, it means you haven't saved it yet. If it's filled, you've already saved that track. To find all the music you've saved, go to the Starred section. Here you'll see all the music tracks you've marked. Now, to download a music track, go to the right corner of the track and click on the download button. This will start the download, and you can now use this music for your videos. Now, if you go to File Explorer, and then go to Download folder, and then you will see music that you just downloaded. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.